my name is Sydney. Thank you so much for coming back to this channel. If you guys are new here, hello, I'm so glad you're here. You have actually caught us in the middle of Vlogmas. Yes, I am doing Vlogmas. This is my first year doing Vlogmas and I am so pumped. I've been having so much fun already. So today I have a really exciting coffee routine for you guys. So I'm gonna show you what me and my husband have been drinking this December. Actually, I've been doing it since November because I've been doing Christmas stuff literally since October. So, because I'm a psycho person. But yeah, I want to show you guys what we've been drinking and how to make it at home. We are going to be recreating a hot chocolate mocha. Oh my goodness, it's so good. And this is like, once you buy all the things, it's so inexpensive just to keep making it at home, so you don't have to go to Starbucks every time, and you can put your own types of milk in there. Like Tony and I like to use almond milk instead of like dairy products, so we're able to do that. Well, I know you can do that at Starbucks too. I don't know, I just like doing it at home, so I'm going to show you guys how to do an inexpensive at home hot chocolate mocha thing. It tastes really good, just wait. So what you're going to be needing to recreate this, you're going to be needing a cute coffee mug. This one is from Target. It says it's beginning to look a lot like coffee. You're also going to need some coffee, and I'm going to be using, let's see here. Guys, I'm a crazy person. This is not okay. I'm going to probably be using just one of these McCafe Premium Roast. My husband would roast me in general for that because he likes to do like all that organic stuff. But I'm going to be using one of these. You're also going to be needing some Ready Whip, some chocolate hazelnut, or whatever flavor you'd like of these little straw thingies. You're also going to be needing a packet of hot chocolate. I just got the one with marshmallows. I think it's the milk chocolate one. You're also going to be needing some type of candy. I love Twix, so I'm going to be using Twix. You can also use M&Ms. You can use Hershey. You can use whatever you like. I'm going to be using Twix. And then you're going to be needing some sort of milk. I'm using just some vanilla almond milk. Okay, so to begin, you're gonna put about 2 tablespoons of water into your cup, and then we're gonna brew an espresso. So I'm going to be using my Keurig, and I'm making 1 shot of espresso. Meanwhile, I'm also going to be heating up and frothing some milk. So I have this type of Keurig that does all that, but if you don't have that, all you gotta do is microwave your milk, and you're just gonna need to froth it. And if you don't have a frother, get one of these from Amazon. It's only like 10 bucks, maybe less, and you just definitely need one. I'll show you why. But you're gonna need to froth some milk. So I'm gonna put some milk into here. I'm gonna do probably about half a glass of milk, just to kind of show you guys. Here's this. So not that much, a little less than half of this. While my espresso is going and my milk is frothing, I'm gonna get my Twix. And I'm gonna start kind of chopping it up a little bit. Obviously, this is an extra person step. Like, you don't have to do this, but I think it makes it just that more fun. I don't always do this, but I think it just makes it more special. And especially if you're having like a date night or a girls' night or something and you're making these, it's just way more Instagrammable, and obviously like it tastes so much better when you have some extra candy in it. Okay, my espresso is brewed, so now I'm going to get my packet of hot chocolate, and I'm going to pour it into my espresso. Mine also has little marshmallows in it. And then I'm going to get a frother, or you could use a spoon, but we talked about this, you need a frother. So I'm going to froth this up, mix it all up. It smells so good. Frother, and pour this in just like that. I'm gonna sprinkle some of my Twix into the hot chocolate. Right now I'm gonna top it off with some whipped cream, and then I'm gonna get my Twix and sprinkle that. Oh yeah, this is where it all comes together. I'm gonna pop in one of these chocolate hazelnut sticks. Yes, guys, look at that. Oh my gosh. There it is, guys. Look how good that is. I'm gonna zoom up. Oh my goodness. My mouth is actually watering. I can't wait till this video is over so I can drink it. It is so good. It looks so beautiful, and I'm just obsessed. So yeah, that's basically it. So I'm gonna post some videos of me drinking this coffee and telling you how good it is. Okay, like I told you, I was gonna show you pictures of me, videos of me drinking this, because it's so good. Oh my gosh, guys. Literally the best drink ever. It is so good, it's so perfect for winter, and just like going out and doing things with friends or just staying home and doing nothing. I'm talking like really quiet now because now I'm like embarrassed because the Christmas light guys are outside. So now I'm like all shy. But yeah, so stinking good. Wow, you guys really, if you did not make this, there's something wrong with you. You have to make this. It's so easy. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. I'm making so many more videos for Christmas, so make sure to subscribe. Don't just be a lingerer, be my friend, and follow me on Instagram and subscribe so you can see all the new videos that I come out with this winter. All right, guys, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.